Presenting the Vivo V21 5G Mobile. This phone is available in 3 variant colors: Dusk Blue, Arctic Blue, Sunset Dazzle. The Vivo V21 Mobile available in 2 variants to choose from: 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage. It has dual SIM with dual standby option 5G, so you can carry a single phone around instead of 2 and will have access to high-speed internet. The 16.65 cm AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate and 2404 x 1080 pixels resolution provides truly immersive viewing experience by maximized screen size. It's ideal for gaming, watching videos, multitasking, browsing and more. The phone has a triple rear camera setup with 64MP main camera, 8MP multifunctional camera and 2MP super macro camera. The phone also has a 44MP front camera to suit your convenience. Powered by Android version 11 Funtouch OS 11.1 operating system with Mediatek Dimensity 800U processor, this phone makes downloading, gaming as well as browsing very smooth. It also comes with a 33-watt flash charging 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery Type-C. The box includes